The 5 Best Bench Vises in 2020. Number 5. Performance Tool W3904. The Performance Tool W3904 features a quick-release lever that easily moves jaws in and out. Features a 360-degree swivel base with 3 mounting holes and 2 lockdowns. Features steel replaceable pipe jaws for holding pipe or round stock. Includes a 7 inches jaw opening. 3 inches throat depth. Equipped with a polished built-in anvil. Coming in number 4. Capri Tools 10519 Rotating Base and Head Bench Vise. The Capri Tools 10519 Bench Vise is suited for all kinds of woodwork, pipe work, metalwork, sawing, drilling, and gluing applications. Features 9,000 pounds of clamping force. Equipped with a base and head that rotates 360 degrees for extra customization. Head can be locked in at 12 set points, each within 30 degrees. Base is easy to place and lock the jaws wherever needed. Constructed from heavy-duty ductile iron, 60,000 pounds per square inch. Coming in number 3. Eclipse Quick-Release Woodworking Vise. The Eclipse 9 inches quick-release vise features a front-mounted lever which disengages the vise screw to permit rapid opening and closing of the vise, meaning that you can quickly adjust the opening of the vise to either release or clamp a piece you're working on. Fitted with an adjustable front stop, dog, that gives additional clamping facility when used with a bench stop, to provide a normal vise and a tail vise and one tool. To increase safety, the fused Tommy bar will bend before the vise can become overstressed. Features heavy cast iron and steel construction. 10.24 inches maximum opening. Coming in number 2. TEKTON 8-inch Swivel Bench Vise. The all-purpose medium-duty TEKTON 8-inch swivel bench vise is the benchtop workhorse your garage or shop can't live without. Whether you are repairing vehicles, metalworking, or assembling parts, you can work better, faster, and safer knowing it is properly secured. Made from 30,000 psi cast iron for durability and dependability. Put your project in the sure grip of the replaceable non-slip serrated steel jaws. For forming and shaping metal pieces, the polished anvil offers a smooth, consistent work surface. Rotate the vise around its 120-degree swivel base and you can position your work in just the right spot. Turn the sliding T-bar handle and the jaw glides smoothly along the Acme threaded main screw without binding or chattering, even as clamping pressure increases. Coming in number 1. Yost Tools 750Di. The Yost 750Di multi-jaw vise features a swivel base and the head has top jaws, pipe jaws, and V-jaws to provide clamping action for heavy-duty applications. Vise head rotates 360 degrees with 12 locking positions to provide access to the 3 jaw sets and adjust them for proper placement. 360-degree swivel base adjusts the direction of the jaws for proper placement and locks in place. Ductile iron body is durable and strong for extended life and has a flat portion that acts as an anvil and additional work surface. 3 sets of replaceable hardened steel jaws are affixed to the vise. Parallel serrated top jaws. Serrated pipe jaws. Smooth V-jaws for round and flat stock. Pipe capacity, 0.125 to 3.5.